If we see a break above $20.10, and then we, of course, fall back down a bit, we test and remain above $20, we could potentially see a spike up to 22 bucks, okay? So this is a potential movement here for GameStop. Keep an eye out for GameStop, okay? In terms of a pullback, I am viewing 19 bucks as a short-term support level. I will go over FFIE and BNED momentarily. Thank you guys for your patience. Overall though, this was a great stock request as it is now coming to fruition. Great to see GameStop moving up there. Also, AMC, check out AMC. My prediction for AMC for today's close. It actually just completed. So I made a prediction that we might see a retest of today's high. Take a look at that. Earlier I said we might see a retest of today's high, which is 493. We just broke it there, 495. Okay. We just broke it there, 495. I believe someone earlier asked me what my wild guess is for next Wednesday. My wild guess for next Wednesday is 580 for AMC, 72 for HOLO. AMC, back right around 494. GameStop is doing what I think it's doing. We go ahead and scroll in here. If we scroll in here, right, we have a move up and a potential move back down. This is what I was predicting earlier. From about $19.20 was when we started this prediction. It is now moving up, right? We are just looking to see if we can remain above $20 support for GameStop. Look to see if we can bounce and then a possible move up towards $22 because $22 is the next major resistance level for GameStop. If GameStop does a break above 22, right, what is potentially next? In my opinion, potentially next is $25. $25 is the major resistance after 22. I am sharing Monday through Friday from open to close. Technical analysis on anyone's request, okay? So this is AMC moving now in the post market. We are above the $5.13 resistance. Keep an eye out for now a price test ranging from $5.13 to $6.87. $5.13 can become a potential support level. $6.87 is the next major resistance level. Going into next week, this is what I've been waiting for personally. This is what I've been predicting. A possible move towards 687 going into the week of May 27th to May 31st, okay? There is a 3-day weekend. So let's go ahead and go on to GameStop now. GameStop here, okay? Here is the 30-minute chart. We just broke above the $22 resistance. Keep an eye out for potentially a move towards $25, okay? GameStop is moving quite fast right now. Earlier on the stream, somebody asked me to take a look at GameStop, okay? GameStop broke above the 50 EMA, right? We did a little crossover here. We are now above the 200 EMA with the 50 EMA. This is a bullish trend, okay? Bullish crossover. We could potentially see a move towards $25 resistance. Okay, we also broke above our uptrend as well. So, really good to see GameStop above $22. Look to see if GameStop could test $25. Going into next week for GameStop, okay, here are my personal opinion and predictions. We could possibly see going into next week a potential move towards $36 resistance. $36.75 is the next major resistance for GameStop after $25, okay? We want to see how we do with $25. We are still moving here in the post market for GameStop. So keep an eye out for $25 resistance. We do have short-term support at $22 as well as support at $20, okay? Keep an eye out for GameStop and AMC going into next week. These are just my personal opinions and speculation. Really happy to be able to call out AMC today as well as GameStop. It was a great stream today. Going into next week, very excited to share more about AMC, GameStop. Alright. Definitely keep an eye out for AMC, GameStop going into week of May 27th and May 31st. Again, a 3-day weekend opens, okay? These are just my personal opinions. In about 6 minutes here, I think we're supposed to be going into a new candle. 1:30 Pacific time zone. Going into the new candle, looking to see if we can remain above $20, okay? If we can remain above $20, we may see a potential bounce up into the $22 support, okay? Currently, yes, we are trading above $22, but I'm still keeping an eye out for a potential pullback to $20, okay? Following $20, keep an eye out for a possible bounce, then back up into $22. This is the possible only way we can maybe see a $25 test. So again, I'm going to say it. I know we're trading above $22, but just careful on a potential pullback to closer to $20, okay? If we do see $20 get tested, or even 21, right? We see a little bounce there into going into the next candle. Maybe we might see a test going back up into $25, okay? This is just my personal opinion. Dorsey, yes, for sure. This is fun to watch for sure. Very fun to watch. Definitely love to see AMC as well. That run back up towards 525. Very happy to see this, okay?